In this video, I'll be showing you guys how to use the Donna AI app. So it's going to help you create AI music and AI music videos as well. Simple and easy to use. If you are new here, give me a like, subscribe to my channel. So you can check out my other reviews on AI apps like Donna that helps you make music and videos. Good. So now let's start. So we have to create something. You can see song description, or we can tap on lyrics to generate it ourselves, or we can enter our lyrics here, right? So there's the lyrics of the song. Or if you want to describe the song, so automatically the AI generates the music for you. So maybe music about banana, right? When you tap on that, you see this ball roll, you get it. Or if you have an image, you want to turn it into a song, to you just tap on this here to upload the image from your library, that's your mobile phone. Good. You can describe the song, optional, but then if you have the song description, you'd have to pass through 1, 2, 3 procedures, right? Which is the advanced option. You give the song a name, so after generation, the song will have that name or to bear that name. The language, the vocal type, the whether it should be instrumental or vocal. And also the recording section, which is optional. You want it to be a studio section or a live concert something. And then the vocal too, you want it to be a male or a female, or you want it to be a male and a female, something like that. I think that's it. You can select the mode too as well. So there's the exact procedure. Let me show you guys. So let's say I describe my song. I select a mode which is happy. I come to the advanced option, or I even select the music genre, right? So I make it a random genre as well. And then I give the song a name, which is my name, Mike. The language, I just make it auto detect, or I can set it to English. The vocal, I make it vocal. I make it a studio section. I make it male and female. I create the description, right? So automatically I generate my music. And then the AI voiceover too, you can start creating, voiceover for your videos and the rest. So you just start creating, tap on start creating, and you're good to go. And the music video too, same way. You would have to describe the video, or you can add an image here. And when you, this for the basic, and when you tap on the advanced here, to same way, you can just describe whatever you're trying to create, which is the song or something, and you generate the video here. This section is going to help you get access to what people have created with the Donna AI app. So these are the music videos. These are some of the audios, that's the releases people have created, right? So when you create yours too, you can make it available here and people can play it. You can see 11, 65 plays and 5 plays. Your library is where you're going to find your music videos you've generated, your AI voiceovers, and your music you've generated to here. So that's it. And also you can tap on the hamburger menu at the top left corner, at the top right corner of your screen, to move to the app settings. So here is when you can sign up and log in. If you want to upgrade, you tap on the pro to upgrade. If you have some subscription problems, you tap on the restore subscriptions. The language, you can switch it to any language of your choice. It's set to system. I speak English. You can change it to any of these languages: Chinese, French, Dutch, Spanish, and the rest. Yeah, and you can refer friends and also aim and be able to use the pro version if you refer friends and they use it. So by getting your referral code, right? So you just tap on this here, you give your friends this code, you enter the code. Yeah, so I think that's it. And explicit content too, you can allow explicit content. Yeah, if you don't want to, you can just turn it off. So that's it on how you use the Donna AI app. It's similar to other AI apps that I use to generate AI music videos and the rest. Describe, select the genre, add the options here. After that, you generate. Simple and easy. So that's it. If you are new here, give me a like, subscribe to the channel. Peace.